The truth about cruise buffets: 15 mistakes you need to avoid if you're setting sail on a cruise. There's one spot you'll almost certainly visit. It's not the spa, and it's not the casino. I'm talking about the bustling, irresistible buffet. It's quick, it's convenient, and let's be honest, it's where your diet may start to unravel. But as amazing as these buffets can be, there are plenty of ways to make the experience less enjoyable, not just for you, but for others too. From long lines to utensil mishaps, let's break down the top 15 mistakes you should steer clear of. And, of course, we'll throw in some etiquette tips that could make your cruise experience a whole lot smoother. Let's dive in before the food goes cold. Mistake number 1. Embarkation day madness. First big mistake is heading straight to the buffet. When you first board, you're excited, you're hungry, and guess what? So are thousands of other people. This is why the buffet at embarkation can feel like a shopping frenzy. Families, luggage, and lines stretching across the room. Here's a smarter move. Check if the main dining room is open. Many ships offer a more relaxed lunch with table service, and the quality of food tends to be better. Or try the poolside grill or pizza station, usually less crowded. Some ships even offer discounts at specialty restaurants on day 1. Skip the madness and you'll be much happier. Mistake number 2. Loading up your plate like it's the last meal. Another rookie mistake. Piling everything on your plate in one go. Yes, it's an all-you-can-eat buffet. But that doesn't mean you need to fill your plate to the brim with everything. The smart move? Start small. Try a little bit of everything that catches your eye, and then go back for more of what you loved. This way, you won't waste food, and you won't end up feeling like you've eaten an entire turkey. The buffet will still be there, so take your time. Mistake number 3. Skipping the hand sanitizer station. This one's huge. Skipping the hand sanitizer. Before you dig in, think about it. Hundreds of people touching the same serving tongs, drink dispensers, and utensils. It's a breeding ground for germs. So always make sure to sanitize or wash your hands before touching anything. Don't double dip that chip. Don't lick the spoon and put it back. And definitely don't grab food with your bare hands. Trust me, your stomach will thank you later. Mistake number 4. Stopping at the first station you see. On of the best-kept secrets about cruise buffets is that the layout can be deceiving. If you see pasta at one end, don't assume there's nothing better further down. Some ships hide the good stuff at the end or rotate stations daily. So, take a lap first. Scan the whole buffet before you start filling your plate. You might find sushi at the far side or a taco station that's worth the trek. It's all about making an informed decision. Mistake number 5. Not alerting the staff about food allergies. This is critical. If you have food allergies, don't just mention it casually to the buffet staff. Cruise ships are great at accommodating dietary restrictions, but they can't read your mind. Let them know in advance before boarding is best. Once you're on the ship, speak directly to a supervisor or a chef, not just a staff member serving scrambled eggs. This ensures they take the proper precautions to avoid cross-contamination, and they'll likely be able to prepare special meals for you. Mistake number 6. Ignoring the healthier options. It's easy to get caught up In the indulgent foods, crispy bacon, towering cakes, and endless pizza. But cruise buffets also have plenty of healthy options. Roasted veggies, lean meats, fresh fruits, and even sugar-free desserts. You don't have to eat only salads, but if you balance a few lighter dishes with the indulgent ones, you'll feel better throughout the cruise. Breakfast stations often have excellent Greek yogurt and parfait options that'll give you a break from all the heavy stuff. Mistake number 7. Lack of buffet. Etiquette is where some passengers need a quick refresher. Buffets are a shared space, so let's talk etiquette. Don't cut the line. Don't block the entire station while you're deciding between sauces. And definitely don't leave your table looking like a disaster zone. Also, don't hog tables. If you're done eating, free up your spot so others can enjoy their meal. Be considerate, and the buffet will be a lot more enjoyable for everyone. Mistake number 8. Dining during peak hours. If you want to avoid chaos, don't go to the buffet right when it opens or at peak meal times. The noon rush on a sea day is the worst. Lines, pushing, and noise. But there are windows of peace. Head to the buffet right when it opens 11:30 a.m. for lunch, or after the crowd thins out 1:30 p.m. For dinner, 5:30 p.m. or after 8 p.m. tends to be much quieter. You'll get the same food, but with a much more relaxed vibe. Mistake number 9. Speed eating. Another rookie mistake. Eating like you're in a race. The cruise buffet is not a speed eating contest. Enjoy your meal. Eating too fast will leave you with indigestion and probably a missed opportunity to enjoy the atmosphere. Plus, you'll miss out on special dishes that rotate throughout the service. Like that chocolate souffle that only comes out at 2:05 p.m. Take your time, savor the food, and watch the world go by. Mistake number 10. Dripping pool water all over the buffet after a swim. Don't walk into the buffet dripping wet. Cruise lines require guests to wear shoes and shirts in dining areas not just for looks, but for food safety. Keep a dry shirt and sandals in your pool bag to change before heading into the buffet. This small effort will save you from receiving glares from fellow guests and from violating health guidelines. Mistake number 11. Skipping dessert because calories don't count on vacation. Don't miss out on dessert. You're on vacation, and vacation calories don't count. Cruise pastry chefs are masters at their craft, and those desserts are not to be skipped. Try a little bit of everything. Order small portions of multiple desserts to sample, without overindulging. After all, you may never get a chance to taste that passion fruit cheesecake again. So treat yourself. Mistake number 12. Forgetting to get your drink first. There's a pro tip. Get your drink first before you start filling your plate. There's nothing worse than balancing a full plate of food and realizing you're thirsty. Many cruise ships have self-service drink stations near the buffet entrance. Use them to your advantage. And if you're really trying to be a pro, bring a reusable water bottle with you. This way, you won't have to juggle your food and a small cup at the same time. Mistake number 13. Reserving a table with your stuff. Don't leave your belongings to save a table. The buffet is a high turnover area, and leaving your bag, book, or towel on a table to claim it is bad etiquette and can lead to confusion. Crew members might move your items to free up space, or other passengers might take them by mistake. If you're alone, take only essentials with you, or ask a server to watch your spot. If you're with a group, one person can stay behind to hold the table. Mistake number 14. Getting lost in the buffet cruise buffets can feel like a maze, and it's easy to get lost in the sea of food stations. Use landmarks to help orient yourself. Maybe your table is near the pasta station, or next to the column with the blue flowers. If you get disoriented, just follow the smells of freshly baked bread or the sound of clinking cutlery. Eventually, you'll find your way back to your table or discover a new station you didn't know existed. Mistake number 15. Forgetting to thank the crew. Last but not least, don't forget the hard-working staff. Behind the buffet, there's an army of people making sure everything runs smoothly. A simple thank you or a smile goes a long way. If someone really stood out, consider giving them an extra tip or mentioning them in your final survey. A little kindness can make a big difference, and crew members will remember those who show genuine appreciation. And that's a wrap on the 15 common cruise buffet mistakes to avoid. By using these tips, you can transform your buffet experience from chaotic to enjoyable. Keep these tricks in mind, respect the crew, and savor every bite. What's your best or worst cruise buffet experience? Share it in the comments below. And if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insider cruise tips. Safe travels and enjoy the buffet like a pro.